What's this one? 2x. This is for more details. This is it's a regular pencil. Well, this is a general thing. I must say I'm excited. And this is the paint, this is the brush. Your boy propagates. Yeah. You know, intensity determines the distance at which the acceleration of the sound propagates. So we have amplitude, we have frequency, we have velocity, we have acceleration, and we have momentum. So what is the disparity? What is the correlation? What is the relationship between amplitude and frequency? What causes amplitude? So why you could have an A chord, but yet you have, but from a cognitive neuroscientific perspective, the brain interprets, my apology, a literal statement with this polarity. So I was studying tonality in linguistics. And while studying tonality, if you get into phonetics and phonology in linguistics, the physics of sound is inevitable. And from a research scientist perspective,